Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix ChatGPT history now showing up. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open ChatGPT and click on try ChatGPT. So if you are facing an issue that your history is not showing here, so what you can do that first you need to go onto the Google and search your ChatGPT server, and you simply need to check the ChatGPT server status. So here you can see that it is working fine. Okay, after that you simply need to go back and you simply need to click on three dots and log out from your account, and then you need to log in again with your email detail, enter your password, click on continue, and after that you can see your history here like this. So this is a process by which you can fix if your ChatGPT history is not showing up. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.